In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the UOW Handbook so you can easily confirm when a subject is on offer. First, you will need to access the handbook. You can find this through the UOW website. To access the handbook, go to the current student's webpage. From here, scroll and select Handbook from the Managing My Course menu under My Course. When searching for current subject availability and information, please ensure you are viewing the current year's handbook. If you are searching for information regarding your enrolled course, you will need to use the handbook corresponding to the year you commence studying your course. For steps on how to find out more about your course, you can check out the How Do I Know What Subjects to Enroll in video. To select the current handbook, you will need to click Current Year Handbook and then the Access Current Year Handbook button. From here, you can type the subject code for your subject into the search bar. When searching, remember that subject codes with only 3 letters and 3 numbers will need a space between the letters and numbers. For example, BCM space 110. After you have selected your subject from the results list, you will be taken to the subject description page. You will want to double check that you are viewing the subject description page for the current year. You can check this under the subject title. Next, you will need to check what sessions the subject is available for via the Select Campus, Delivery Mode and Session for Subjects drop-down. This will be right next to the Year drop-down menu. You can check to see if the subject is on offer by picking the Campus, Session and Delivery mode applicable to your study. For example, if you see the subject is being listed for Autumn Session on campus at Wollongong, the subject may be on offer. If the session and campus are not in the list, then the subject is not on offer. Once you have selected an option from the list, to confirm the availability of the subject, you will scroll down to the Delivery section. If the subject states that it is on offer yes, then the subject is available to enroll in for that session. If it states on offer no, unfortunately, this subject is not available. If you have any further questions, you can contact our friendly AskUOW student service team, and once you have enrolled, you can check out the AskUOW Knowledge Base at any time through the link in the description. You can access the AskUOW Knowledge Base by logging in with your UOW username and password.